All right, so that was just some candy corn in my greased muffin tin. I'm next coming in with these Halloween Oreos. These are personally my favorite Oreos. Let's go ahead and, ooh, it's a fresh package, you guys. And these ones are so fun because they have like the little sayings on them. They have like they usually have like, oh, here you go. Here's a little spider web on here. These are just so cute and delicious. So we're just placing these right on top of our candy corn. This is gonna be a super easy, delicious Halloween treat that everyone will love. All right, that was perfect. We just used one row of these and now we have leftovers to snack on.
That's for me.
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put this to the side and bring in my big bowl and then my little ghosty friend for some assistance. In here, I'm bringing in only the best, the Dolly Parton's fabulous fudgy brownie mix. I love the Dolly Parton mixes because they're a few more ounces than the standard mixes, and she just adds her own touch to it, which obviously Dolly's touch makes everything better. Woo!
I saw Dolly's touch inside.
There we go. Why don't they tell you when those things are in there?
At least I told you.
All right, and then we're gonna add a splash of our vitamin D milk. It's about 3 tablespoons. So I'm gonna eyeball it because I'm good at measuring things. All right, that looks good enough to me. We're gonna add 1 stick of melted butter. This is better than vegetable oil, just makes it so much more flavorful. And then lastly, just 1 large egg. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, just following the box instructions, which is key for this delicious Halloween treat. I'm gonna use my spatula to get this all mixed up. I like using a spatula for my brownie mixes because they're so thick that the whisk just kind of doesn't do the job correctly. But let's go ahead and get this nice and made. Ooh, yeah. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and grab that fudge so we can add it to our little mixture. Make sure that doesn't go into our bowl. Ooh, why is it like that?
It's Dolly's extra little something.
Perfect. Okay.
That's just some fudge or what?
Yeah, it's literally just fudge to make it the fudgy brownies. Oh, it's gonna be so good, you guys. It's pretty much already fully mixed. So this is gonna be ready for our candy corn Oreos, which if you don't like candy corn, you could do a M&M or some sprinkles, or you could just do the Oreos and the brownies, but I think the candy corn is super fun. All right, it is time to bring that back in, and then we'll have this on our right hand side because I am right-handed. And then we have an ice cream scoop to make everything super easy. We're gonna scoop our brownie mix. Ooh. Right on top of that Oreo. Remember, we greased our muffin tin. That's so important because if you don't grease your muffin tin, these things will not come out. Brownie mix is not forgiving in that matter. Oh my goodness, these are gonna be so tasty.
Well, I'm excited for these.
And when you bite into it, you'll see that bright orange from the Oreo. Personally, I love brownies and Oreos together. They're just the best thing you could ever eat. All right, well, let's finish up scooping this so we can get it in the oven and start eating them.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Oh my goodness, these look so good. Okay, my oven is set to 350 and these are gonna cook for 35 to 40 minutes. All right, you guys, those candy corns were not my friend, but you know what? They crystallized, and that's gonna be a beautiful candy coating on the bottom of our brownie. And I already loosened this one up for us, and look how perfect our brownie looks. Oh yeah.
Wow.
And then we have a nice candy bottom that I can't wait to see the Oreo inside.
It's that candy on the bottom.
Oh my God.